'Tis the season for backyard barbecues. You can practically smell the freshly cut grass, the charcoal's burning, and the burgers hitting the grill, can't you? We love backyard barbecues, and today want to bring you a very fun DIY project that will make feeding your guests so much easier and give you an opportunity to throw your flair on the decor. This railing table can be customized to your deck railings and customized in practically any different way you can imagine, from colors to stickers to even resin-topped images. Have a favorite sports team? Do you own a business? Maybe you want to show your love of Star Wars. The possibilities are endless when you look at all the different options for what the finished products could look like. Check out the video in the description on how to build these and grab the blueprints to start your project today. And check in tomorrow to see our plans on how to build a backyard dartboard. See you then.